6.
That's what about both of that.
6 6714283. Call it now. 667. Look like it look like it's a digital number. No digital is a line number. The number is 6714283. The girl name Values. Values are Salamite. Values you deal that. Values, please take out the deal out of your mouth. Take out the deal out of your mouth and put a hood on your mouth. Values, take out the deal out of your mouth and put a real hood on your blood clot mouth and lick it off. Lick it off. Blood clot Values, take a hood on your mouth and lick off it. Tap up the scream, girl. I mean, Values, yes, sir. Me a rotten world Values. Values. Number is 6714283. Values walk and catch man and no catch and do everything. She's a cocky biter. She goggle ball and deep short. Goggle ball and deep short girl. Nah. Nobody not come about no promotion. I not do no promotion for nobody.
Sorry.
Hello?
Yeah, what going, Derrick?
But then me not play. Everybody that come about promotion, me not, no, me a black everybody that come about promotion, me not doing promotion about. But then me blew up on me.
Uncle.
Yeah.
What about is that to
What,
come?
baby?
There. Then it blew. Like the one, look like the one come to the girl when them fellas come. But me have one juice place we do smooth and him something. I want someone to come do advertisement. I'm gonna tell her the price. Yeah, no.
You know I do it free.
Aram Sharaf, man.
Where's about ramp?
No, me say Aram, but it's Aram. You know, so she not serious. They pick up something.
And Lisa, yeah, about Lisa, my friend, me no want if I joke shop because I say me no want a friend from the people, man. I tell you that me no want a friend from them.
Yeah,
Where can my phone from?
Yeah. Good body, Derrick. Take your blood clot.
Yeah, Derrick, anybody will call you, you just tell with the number and I could post them up. Derrick, you see me send you a voice note?
When I look on it yet. Where you come from me and tell me about values. Man, a friend from me no want nobody come about no promotion. I not do promotion. I do nothing. Get turned off right now.
You must have them money.
I don't really money. I give the prank business. The prank business I did. We not talk about the money, friend. I did prank business. I put them a prank, not go so.
Okay.
They don't want that. They not no business people. I don't so me put up. So with the promotion.
You see them do that now, you block them.
Big up
Yeah.
BK, thank BK. BK send your money gone.
Strong, yeah.
I no time to play no uncle. Serious thing now.
Yeah, some of them
No time for them.
I call him and I prank him out. That's why him should have put somebody number where him trust and make them get in contact with that person and anybody serious, that person put them on to Derrick.
Which is right.
In Derrick? What?
Yeah. But that's what me.
You could have put somebody number
Nobody
there,
not.
you know,
Nobody
and
not.
make that the person, they vet that the person there and when time them serious now, then set an appointment on the day and you meet them and you and them arrange payment.
Right.
The girl come out and I value. Nobody not come out here come out about a promotion. Nobody. Bring a buy bed theme, bring a buy not the boy. We bring a buy for the boy.
My boy, don't hear more Blinga.
Yes.
But Blinga no can seize the Benz, man.
I said last time, I said, she make sure let me buy for the boy and the boy have to find the shirt and not bring me down. Boy bush out last night. When Blinga come to Jamaica, when Blinga come to Jamaica, Blinga no come out. Top of the screen, guy, top of the screen.
Derrick phone fully charged, you know, so I have all of the mix up tonight, you know. Thank you, TT. Derrick, big up.
Thank you, TT.
TT rock. Turn up the roses for Derrick, guys. Turn up the roses. Yes, guys, just send up some roses, guys, and tap up the screen for Uncle Derrick. Uncle Derrick have a lot to talk about tonight. So all them want is roses. We'll be about red rose tonight. Nail goodies. Big up nail goodies, Derrick.
Yeah, big up yourself.